We actually had a White House tour booked.
Everything's closed on Monday.
This is really neat. You can't get the White House that way.
I'm going on another amazing adventure.
Doing this without the selfie stick because we have to take the selfie stick off of here every single time we go into one of these high security places. But we're going to be walking into the Herbert Hoover building here shortly, which is the White House Visitor Center. We actually had a tour booked, and then construction of a new ballroom sidelined that tour. So we're going to have to settle for the Visitor Center on this trip. Hopefully we'll get another chance to come back and tour later on. Who likes fried chicken? Who likes fried chicken? Truman?
Everything's closed on Mondays.
We couldn't do the inside tour, but we can still walk around the outside. So. You want to, Ashley?
I don't care.
What?
If you want to, I'll do it.
On this side of his house, of the White House,
All right.
it's
Following you.
okay.
Here, let's do one more real quick, all of us. Can't tell if you're in there or not, Ashley. You can't get the White House that way.
Look, we want it higher. So we got do it like that.
All right. You say so. Alec, come here. Hold that, use that, take a picture. There's our thumbnail. That's what I was trying to get.
Okay.
The People's House, a White House experience. 3 Hours, 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 3 that where we're going? This is really neat. Hold it.
All right, are you sitting, Kyle?
No.
Would you mind doing mine?
Okay, sorry.
Sit down if you want. Act like you're out of. You want to sit? Just don't touch it. Look this way. Hey. Come on.
President Harry S. Truman. Later, President Dwight D. Eisenhower moved the lands to the executive office building to free up more space. President Richard Nixon was outvoted. When President John Adams moved into the White House in 1800, he brought with him his own household staff and household goods, paid for out of his own money. While permanent household staff are now paid with federal funds, presidents do still need to pay for their own groceries and meals. At the end of each month, the chief usher sends a bill to the first family for food, toiletries, and other household products. Jimmy Carter enjoyed listening. The White House is one of the most recognizable buildings in the country. But do you know anything about its next door neighbor? From this window, you can see the Dwight D. Eisenhower Executive Office Building, originally known as the State War and Navy Building. During the early 20th century, White House staff members began to use the building as they quickly outgrew the West Wing. Beginning with Lyndon Johnson, all vice presidents and their staffs have used this building, though some presidents have also worked there. President Herbert Hoover briefly moved his office there after a fire damaged the West Wing on Christmas Eve 1929. President Richard Nixon had a private hideaway office in the EEOB, preferring to use the Oval Office for ceremonial purposes. In 1999, it was renamed the Dwight D. Eisenhower Executive Office Building. Today, the building houses most offices for staff of the Executive Office of the President.
Hey.
For President Harry S. Truman. Later, President Dwight D. Eisenhower moved the links to the executive office building to free up more space.
You just missed the motorcade pulling out.
Oh, it did? Did you get it?
I did.
Why didn't you tell me?
I tried to. You were all the way over here. They just went down that way.
That way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we're at H. Oh, that was, okay.
That's the church that Lincoln went to.
Oh.
Tomorrow, what do we got on tap?
Well, we have the FDR Memorial, the Jefferson Memorial, the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial, the Post Office Tower if it's open tomorrow, and maybe some others.
Sweet. We're gonna head back and get some dinner.
I need another amazing adventure.